Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the freckles filter to your video or photo in CapCut PC. So just add a video or photo that has a clear visible face like this. Then to add the freckles filter, just click on the material, then go to the video tab and then click on enhance, and in here just scroll down until you find the makeup. Click on this box to turn on the makeup feature and scroll down until you find the free freckles filter, so just click on that. Okay, so CapCut will detect and it will add freckles like this to your video or photos. And that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!